In a world where every beep and buzz demands our attention, focus has become a lost art. But what if there's a way to find balance without abandoning technology altogether? Every day we face an onslaught of digital distractions, from endless notifications to the pressure to stay constantly connected. It's no wonder our focus feels shattered. But monks have long practiced the art of balance and mindfulness. Their ancient wisdom holds the key to overcoming this modern chaos. Mindfulness, the practice of living in the present moment, is at the heart of a monk's teachings, and it can be your first step toward reclaiming your focus. Next time your phone buzzes, pause, take a deep breath. Ask yourself, does this truly need my attention right now? Monks emphasize balance in every aspect of life, including their relationship with technology. Setting boundaries with your devices can help you reclaim your time and mental clarity. Try dedicating specific times for focus. Even 30 minutes of uninterrupted work can do wonders for your peace of mind. And then there's meditation. Even 5 minutes a day of sitting still and focusing on your breath can reset your mind and train it to resist distractions. Think of meditation as a workout for your brain, a way to strengthen your focus and build resilience against digital noise. The goal isn't to disconnect from the world, but to reconnect with yourself. With mindfulness, boundaries, and meditation, you can escape the chaos of notifications without giving up your devices. Ready to reclaim your focus? Join the modern monk for more wisdom on balancing tradition and technology. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon